Samsung has already started working on the software for the Z Fold 7. The initial software build for the USA variant, SMF966U, has been spotted on Samsung servers with firmware version F966USQ0A3, likely based on Android 15. Unlike previous models, Samsung might bypass One UI 7.11 this year, potentially launching the device with an entirely new interface. Display and design. The Z Fold 7 will feature a screen aspect ratio similar to the Z Fold Special Edition, boasting larger screens, 6.5 inches cover and 8 inches foldable. The nearly seamless foldable screen enhances the viewing experience. However, it may not have S Pen compatibility. But don't worry, the new design improvements are sure to impress. Key enhancements. According to Leica Setuna Digital on Weibo, the Z Fold 7 will have significant upgrades. Camera, both the back camera and under-display camera are getting major upgrades. Durability, improved dust and water resistance. Hinge, a better hinge mechanism for seamless folding. Camera and photography. Samsung is taking mobile photography to the next level with a 200-megapixel primary camera, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The AI-powered image processing ensures sharper and clearer images even in low light. Perfect for photography enthusiasts. Performance and hardware. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500 chipset, the Z Fold 7 delivers unmatched speed and efficiency. With up to 16 GB of RAM, this device ensures fluid multitasking, lag-free gaming, and seamless AI-driven features. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working, the Z Fold 7 has got you covered. Battery life. The Z Fold 7 features a 4400 mAh battery optimized for long hours of usage. With 25W wired and 15W wireless charging support, you can quickly power up your device. Samsung's battery efficiency enhancements ensure prolonged screen time, even with power-intensive programs. AI-driven features. One UI 7 introduces AI-driven capabilities like automatic call transcription, content summarization, and grammar enhancement tools. These features improve communication and productivity, making daily tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Final thoughts. With its cutting-edge features, AI-powered advancements, and sleek design, the Samsung Z Fold 7 is set to push the boundaries of foldable technology. Stay tuned for more updates and be ready to experience the future of mobile technology.